Hi Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a moon. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black and yellow. This drawing is 22 squares tall and 19 squares wide. We'll start with the black color and skip 8 squares from left to right. In the 9 squares, mark 7 squares horizontally. Down to the left, 2 squares horizontally. Down to the left, 2 more horizontally. Down to the left, 1. Down to the left, 2 vertically. Down to the left, 2 more vertically. Down to the left, 6 vertically. Down to the right, 3 vertically. Down to the right, 3 diagonally. Down to the right, 2 horizontally. Down to the right, 9 horizontally. Up to the right, 1 square. From this square, go down to the right, 2 horizontally. Down to the right, 2 diagonally. From this square, go left 3 horizontally. Down to the left, 2 horizontally. Down to the left, 2 more horizontally. Down to the left, 1. Down to the left, 2 vertically. Down to the left, 6 vertically. Down to the right, 2 vertically. Down to the right, 2 diagonally. Down to the right, 3 horizontally. Down to the right, 5 horizontally. Now Pixelers, let's fill in the squares we marked. Join the Pixeler Club. All you have to do is subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now take the yellow pencil and color in our moon. Right now, a link to my other drawing channel is popping up in the top corner. There are hundreds of designs you can draw. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. And if you made it this far, comment with moon emojis. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in another video. Sending you a kiss, a big hug full of love from my pixelated heart, Ampaita, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!